Okay, this next item is a SunPak LED 160 video light, and that's actually what it is, just what it says. It's a SunPak LED 160 video light. That means it's got 160 LEDs. And what it is, this is for low light situations, so when you're shooting at night or in the dark, you mount this on top of your video camera and you're able to light up your subject or whatever scenery you're shooting. So it's made by SunPak. You can get it off the internet. It's pretty much available everywhere, some camera stores. And there it is. And it has some specs on the box. It says it's 160 high-powered LEDs. It's got adjustable dimmer, which is cool. It's 90 lux. It's powered by the AA batteries or lithium batteries that you use in your DSLR cameras. So use either one. And it's 5.5 inches wide, basically, by 5.5 inches, 5.4 inches high, and 2.2 inches deep. And it weighs 9.5 ounces. And it's got a diffuser. What that is so the lights won't shine that bright. It's got like a cover over the lights, and it's got an amber and pink cover on it. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, and like I said, it's pretty affordable. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see. There's the item coming out. Put the box on the side. And there it is. Let's take it out of this package. Let's put that to the side. So there's the item itself. It's made out of plastic. It's not real heavy duty plastic, but you don't want to drop it on the floor. So it looks like it could crack pretty easy. And then there's your shoe mount. There's an adjustable shoe mount here. You can loosen this up and put it on the top part of your camera, which is where the shoe mount goes. So, and like I said, it's got a diffuser in the front. You don't have to use it. You can use it like this and just use the lights without the diffuser, but the diffuser kind of tones it down a little bit so it doesn't make it as bright. So let's leave that on. It also comes with two other diffusers. Pink one and an orange one, so so you can take care of your skin tones if you want, and just kind of enhance the skin tones a little bit on those two. So put that back in there, and it does come with some instructions. They're pretty self-explanatory. It just gives you little tips and how to work it and things of that nature. So let's put that back in the box. In the packaging. Okay, back to the camera light. So that's what it is. So as you can see, it's got the mount. Like I said, let's look at the sides. And it's got a dimmer. And it's got an on and off switch. So if you turn it on, there it is, it comes on. There it's on. And you can make it brighter. Or you could sit there and you could dim it, depending on the situation. It's pretty cool that it has a dimmer thing. It's not just on and off. And like I said, this filter makes it, it dims it a little bit so it's not as bright. So see, if we use it without this filter, so if you turn it on, it's really bright. And you can tone it down. I usually like to use it with the diffuser because it gives it just enough light without having any harsh reflections or light on your subject. So that's what that is. And the way you put it on the camera, it's pretty easy. Let's see, I'll take this off. So here's your camera. And what you would do is you would take your camera, like so. And there's your shoe mount, right there. And you would put it in, slide it in, just like that. And then tighten the ring up. Tighten the little ring up right there. Tighten the ring up, and then there you have it. It's on your camera. So let's see if we can tighten this up here. There it is. And you're ready to shoot in low light situations. So this is in, like I said, the batteries are right here. AA batteries. It takes 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the other one's hidden under here, 6. And then you can test your batteries right here. It's got a battery tester. All the lights go on, so that means the battery's still good. It lets you know when it's going low. The life of this battery, the batteries depend on how long you use the light. I would say it's good for like about 4 or 5 hours, turning them off and on, not continuous 4 or 5 hours, but you're probably good for that. And just use alkaline batteries. That's what I would use, because the LEDs, they don't really use that much power, so that's what's good about LEDs. So let's take this off. We can slide it back off. There's that. And there's the front of it. Put this camera to the side. So that's the SunPak light. Like I said, it's very affordable, and you can find it on the internet. It's available in many places, and it's pretty simple. It doesn't come with the batteries. You have to put the batteries in. You can take this plate off. As you can see, there's the batteries, 6 batteries. Then you can put this plate back on. There. And also, it's got like an adapter here, so where if you want to use like the camera batteries, it's got an adapter plate that fits in there, kind of like this plate. And you can put your lithium batteries from your camera in it, so you can use camera batteries as well. It's not just AA batteries. And I don't think, no, it doesn't have an external power supply, so you would have to be powered by batteries on this particular unit. So there you go. That's the SunPak LED 160. Let's see, SunPak LED 160, just like it says right there. SunPak LED 160. And let's look at the box just in case you need it. That's what it looks like. SunPak LED 160 video light. Okay, thanks a lot, folks.